Montra Electric launches three-wheeler Super Cargo in Bangalore *. Super Cargo E3W comes with an industry-leading certified range of 200 plus km and real-life range of 170 km. Prices start at 4.37 lakh rupees, ex-showroom Bangalore, post-subsidy, and the vehicle comes with industry-best 5-year or 1.75 lakh kilometer battery warranty. Super Cargo is equipped with an industry-leading 13.8 kWh lithium-ion battery and is available in three versatile configurations: 170 cu.feet, 140 cu.feet, and tray deck. Super Cargo will also be available with a 15-minute 100% charging option, powered by Exponent Energy. Bangalore, 11th June 2025 *. Montra Electric, the clean mobility brand of diversified conglomerate Murugappa Group, launched the Super Cargo electric three-wheeler in Bangalore today. The new Super Cargo is set to revolutionize the last-mile 3W cargo category with a proposition that addresses current market gaps, empowering customers to earn more with uncompromised range and power to easily navigate any terrain. Mr. Jalaj Gupta, Managing Director, TI Clean Mobility Private Limited, launched the Super Cargo in the presence of Mr. Roy Kurian, Business Head, Last Mile Mobility, Mr. Saju Nair, CEO Small Commercial Vehicles, and other key stakeholders. The Super Cargo features a 13.8 kWh lithium-ion battery delivering a category-best on-road range of 170 km. Its powerful drivetrain produces 70 Nm torque and 11 kW peak power with 23% gradability. With a 1.2-ton gross vehicle weight, the vehicle is engineered to carry all types of loads with ease. It comes with sturdy boron steel chassis that offers superior strength and durability, with a promise of best uptime in the category. Super Cargo has the longest wheel.
I just wanted to recap the top 5 things, high fives about this product, which are best in class, best in industry of this product range. The first thing being the best in class battery capacity of 13.8 kilowatt hour. It is the best in class in this product range. Along with that, we have the best motor, which gives the best in class torque of 70 Newton meter. Both these things put together give us the best in class the range, which is in real world is going to be more than 170 kilometers in the GVW position. So these
Today in Bangalore is the first launch across the country for our Super Cargo range of last mile mobility. This particular product has been launched in 3 variants, which is one with a flat tray, one comes with 140 cubic feet capacity, and the third one comes with 170 cubic feet capacity. This offers some of the industry best features. To start with, it comes with the highest battery capacity. It comes with the highest motor capacity, as a result of which the consumer gets the highest range on a single charge on the vehicle. It We offer the best warranty on the battery for this particular vehicle, which is 1.75 lakh, 5 lakh or 5 years, whichever is earlier. And we also will be offering this vehicle in a variant which can be charged only in 15 minutes. That will be offered as a variant. To start with, it will be launched in the city of Bangalore and Delhi only. So these are some of the features of this particular range. This particular product comes from the from Montra Electric and House of Murugappa, which is 125-year-old group in the country, and we are a serious player in electric commercial vehicle mobility. We have other products. We have other products in this particular in our portfolio. But right now, I'm going to talk about only about the cargo range.